out today just for a bit of fun.
Just a bit of a dip
fun,
and then go in the park for a bit.
Play on the swings. I can't wait.
So we're currently at Lime Kiln Lock,
Yep.
which is number 43.
Just near Abbey Park. Abbey Park's just there.
We will be
Hang on a
going
minute,
to
I've got a little bomb.
We'll be going to Abbey Park as well. Josh is gross. Notice he pulled up poo on his
Yeah,
board.
poo. Never mind.
Don't like proper poo.
But yeah, we're having a little dip. So hopefully we pull out something good from here.
Just no bombs
But
today.
No bombs. Maybe air pistols.
Let's get dipping.
No bombs.
I said, for
Guns
everybody
are
else,
okay,
yes.
but no bombs.
Let's
get
get
dipping.
dipping.
Leave it at the bottom. Right, Terry, put yours down after it. Hold on, got it. Right. It's quite deep as well.
Nice little find there.
Inside of a bin.
Inside the bin. Oh, it's made it in the canal.
One
I
of
don't
them.
know. So,
But we might take it home and use it on one of the trolleys to put scrap and bits in and take it to the nearest bin if it's a bit further away. So
yeah.
we might,
Buy a sat barrow for it.
yeah, buy a proper flat one.
Bottle cap in an old bolt. Part of an old file. That's quite a big one, that. Oh. File. Nice big one, that.
An old cogwheel. I'm going to see if I can take that home and clean it. See what
Nice
it's like.
big find.
Does look like an old cogwheel, don't it?
Yeah.
We'll try not to get the gun.
Megan's being Megan, look, and just sitting down on the floor.
I'm too fat from the other way.
No, you've probably got the lock there, bud.
Oh!
The big metal plate down there. Yeah, you need to definitely repair it.
It's been pulled off a piece of a big screw. Well, don't know what it is.
Oh, there's
They are.
You said it was going to be something small. Kara! Just pulled out a piece of the lock. It's huge.
Oh, no, got it. Oh, magnet off there.
Good. Well, that's good teamwork, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Pull that out. You need to have some strength. Two fat guys.
Right. Ethan's find. Had to help him because it was way too heavy for Ethan to get out on his own. But it's one of those off of the lock.
Side, look.
Yeah, it actually is. It's a one. It's actually the one off the other side. You see, the one on the other side's missing.
I've got it!
We've just found it at the bottom of the canal. Woo! Oh. Yeah.
Right, so we've come.
Wait for me.
Oh yeah. Right,
Just
so we've
moved
come
over
to the
to-
nice, peaceful Abbey Park.
A lot of people around today.
Yeah.
Because there's some people up at our normal spot feeding ducks. We've come
Decided
down to This
move
bit,
away.
we've not done this bit before, it's just the other side of the weir.
Yeah.
See a couple of bits
in the background. We've got a lovely weir. One day we'll walk across it.
Yeah.
Probably get told off. But I'll make sure I buy some waders to walk across that because they ain't falling in with normal clothes on.
Oh.
I ain't bought no spare change clothes. I've only got boots and ivers. Don't really want to walk around with boots and ivers. But
Yeah.
hopefully this bit will be great. We can see stuff surfacing in the water anyway, so
Right.
let's go, let's get dipping a bit.
Let's get dipping.
So, I think I just put this out. Looks like, well, looks like a bit of a sheeting for wiring, I don't know. It's kind of big. Big stick. Lovely. That'll go with a scrap. Smoke play. We'll get the scrap man out soon. Let's come and pick this lot up because obviously it's an main traction park. Don't want everyone to see just rubbish laying around.
Me and Josh have pulled.
Yeah, pulled out a drain cover.
Nice.
Nice lovely drain cover.
Cast iron one.
Yep. With snails. But it's a good job I got my ropes. It's quite heavy, it's not definitely a nice cast iron one.
Yeah.
Right, let's go see what this one part is.
Bringing out bloody lock keys.
Oh,
I bet you've had loads of them.
I managed to pull an aluminium one up the other day because it had a little steel band on it.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Someone had put a steel band on, so it looks online. £50 lock key brand.
Oh, I know, they obviously do.
I can't believe it.
No, no.
Like and subscribe this video for us, please.
Nice big old fence.
No, it's not. Fence is not like a hedge on the bottom.
Yeah, I'm sure the old railings used to sit like that, didn't they?
No, but that looks like it turns. It looks like it pivots.
I don't know. It's summer.
Ah, well I am.
Oh yeah.
That's what I've just said.
Cool.
Which one?
I just want to try and get
Wow.
That was just pulled out.
Yeah.
forged like that. So what that would be is it looks like an old harvester type thing. It's still got nice grain of wood on it, to be fair with you, but
Something about that. Hopefully with this I'll be able to pull it out. But I don't know where my pole is. Here. Also, a little further back I pulled this out with tons of little baby animals in it. Let's see if I can pull it out. Good. Nice. Nice. Nice.
lad, well done. Ethan's find. Nice little knife.
Beauty knife.
Potato knife.
It's a potato knife, yeah. So we'll put that.
They'll go
in
in
a
the
rubber
box
bag.
and dispose
Yeah.
of at
That's
home.
quite cool.
So stick it in the grey
There's
box.
like a little lookout.
So,
I've just pulled this out. If you know what piece it's from, put it in the comments down below. And I've just pulled out a knife, but I think Josh has already showed you that. Let's see else what I can find. That was bloody heavy. Oh, I just pulled this out of the water right there. It's really heavy. Looks like one of the pieces from on there, don't it?
Just had to go off.
No.
Just had to go off the bridge. We all pulled it out. Obviously even Isaac's, well Isaac's now here.
Come on Isaac, get in the video.
But
It was
the
a
rest of
nightmare.
it's still in there. The only thing that stopped us
The
from
net
pulling
as
this
well.
up, yeah. The only thing that stopped us pulling this up was the net. The
So
net
it
was
has to
caught
cut the
up
net.
onto everything else, yeah.
Yeah, that's only half of it. That's
Yeah.
one side, isn't it?
All the rest is still inside that.
Just had a nice chat with the guy as well.
Yeah, nice chat with the panels and alright, he's quite alright, he is. So hopefully it'll be good news for them.
Nice big chain.
Right, so we've just had a break from magnet fishing. We did say earlier we're in a local park, and Ethan and I are going to have a challenge to find that. Obviously, I'm not going to be mean, I'm going to give Ethan a head start because he's a midget. So, let's see who wins.
Right, 3.
So,
Ethan, go.
you go. Give him a head start.
What the hell?
Told you I'd win.
How the hell is that?
Told you I'd win. Now I'm going back down.
Huh?
Now I'm going back down.
Yeah, it's a race to get up and back down.
I've already reached the top.
Yeah, but now you've got to get down to the bottom.
Be careful, because she's a little bit scared, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, I won.
Gee! That's a bloody save.
Please don't drop.
Huh? Huh? Hope not there's anything bad in there. Fingers crossed.
Move your head that way. Mum keeps getting your head in.
Now can you see it?
Yeah. Oh no!
Just put a safe out from that all the way down there.
They
that
know.
was a very hard
I've got it on
job.
video.
And by looks of it, it looks like it's still full.
And there's stuff clanging
So
around here. So
we're going to get Ian's trolley, bring it back down here, and then take it home and grind it open.
this is getting over.
Shall we get your wheelbarrow first?
Let's go get that.
Breaking that in.
Right, so the safe that me, Isaac and Josh just broke our backs pulling out. Probably, well, the other side of that bridge there. So you can see how much of a drop it is. Here's Josh, look. We're all broken from it. It is sealed, so we are actually going to take it
Back to my house.
back to this guy's house and try and crack it
And
open.
whatever's in it is going to be split between me, Isaac, and Stephen.
So let's hope it's got £1 million in it.
Or drugs.
That's your man.
Try them off and sell them. I know, Mum.
Have really good value stuff in there.
Food.
Josh
Peace.
just pulled a plate. What do you
Bowl.
bowl? Same difference.
Same thing. Probably.
As you can see. That is what
It's one of them.
they found. It's one of these off the fence.
Just tap the fence. Yeah. There. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Bye.
3, 2, 1. Go. Come on, let's bring it over here. No,
Bring
not
it-
here. No.
No, bring it over
The
to...
house.
Right, so these two have just pulled a bag out.
I'd
Right.
get some of them rubber gloves on there near your wheelbarrow.
Do you just want the knife?
Have a glove.
You want my knife?
Just in
Well.
case.
Face danger. You don't know what's in there.
What's that? That's to weigh it down.
You know what? This is I'm pretty sure this is for summer.
Don't put it all over the gloves then.
What's the make on that?
You know what? Do you reckon somebody's done a crime or something like that, got caught and ditched it in? Because they don't just dump another bag in there.
No, that's being weighed down. Don't tip it out.
Tip it out.
Hold on. Or it's to set one of us up.
I would. I'd watch his feet and tip it upside down. Ready?
No. Put your hand in and feel this.
Yeah. Put it upside down.
Putting a magnet in there.
See, it depends what's in the front as well.
It makes me feel sick.
Ugh.
No, there's a phone.
It's clothes.
No. Here.
There's more in the front.
Phone or something.
Where's that?
Someone got a knife?
We think we've got a phone.
No, bigger than a phone, mate.
Huh?
It's bigger than a phone.
Maybe an
Right,
iPad?
Ethan, just Tammy has it in her bag. Oh no, it's in the top pocket. Top pocket of my lunch bag.
No way, is that a ring? Oh.
Let's have a look, I'll clean it up a little bit whilst you...
You ready?
Yeah, I'll pass it here then.
It's alright.
No.
No? It's a setup, isn't it?
No, there's something to do with them clothes.
Yeah, there's writing on the back. Next layer. That's
You know what? It's like that. Where's the
No,
zip
just
there?
get the knife. Where's the knife?
There it is. Got the zip.
No, the zips. The zips.
Here we go.
What's that?
Shoe.
Oh, shoes. Gloves.
Definitely stripped
You
off.
know what? It's a crime or something like
That's not normal.
that. You don't have leather gloves in a bag. There's something else in there.
Wait.
Just tip of the water there.
That's a crime. Someone wouldn't lock all that
There's nothing in there. It's just
in
water,
the
mate.
water for nothing.
Yeah, there. I got it.
Stone.
Oh, fuck.
This is a robbery.
Oh, it's splashing.
Oh.
Stop.
Inside pocket. There's something to do with them clothes. You don't just chuck a bag full of stones
There was a make on this. There's some.
and not leather gloves.
Stones.
And then
Something
Nike.
in that pocket.
They're Nike
That's
XL.
Nike. So, Stephen. Oh, where's that smell?
Just move away a little bit, Ethan.
There's something really wrong. You don't just dump clothes in that in here for a reason. Unless it was an ex-girlfriend getting mad at someone. Well, someone to fit an extra large person. Do you reckon ring the police on it or something? Because it could
That's
identify
not really-
back to like
like
a...
a blue
I know there's no
jacket.
DNA on it now.
They won't do anything.
No, but. No, not in the bushes.
I would.
Put it all back. Come on, Karen.
Right,
Welcome to the new magazine.
right. That's
No,
us
bye-bye.
from the new
Hold
Hold
magazine.
on, hold on. We've got an announcement.
Yeah.
Isaac is
He's
now
now a new
joining
member.
the new Magneteers. He's passed his initiation today by helping us
By
pull
pulling
us
out a safe, as you've seen. But
So-
what a nice day it has been. Peaceful, nice, especially
Some
banging
good
out that
finds.
bridge. Some really good finds.
But-
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was killer dropping it. Looked at it and just like, no.
Looked at each other and thought.
But we got it.
It
The
was
new
great, like I
Magneteers
said.
never give up.
Oh yeah.
No,
We
we
never
do
give up.
not.
Nice, splash myself back in the bed. With me dirty gloves, me marigolds.
Make them jump.
Right, but bye bye.
Also, that was
Do you
funny
wanna
when the
move?
bird pooped on you.
Right. Ethan, would you like to do Callum's bit today? Like and subscribe, dislike, subscribe.
Hit that button down below. Subscribe to the video, please, because I think this thumbs up. Also press thumbs up. Because I think this was a really tough day to pull out all these different things. Seriously, I do not know how we would have got everything out if we didn't have Isaac. If we didn't have Isaac, some of these things
Isaac.
we wouldn't have been able to get out.
Right, Isaac, I hear you want a little bit in the video.
Yeah.
So we're going to let Isaac take the camera for a second. Hold on, he's a bit taller, so I'll borrow just a tripod. We're doing shout out, didn't you?
Jamie Matthews. Because Callum missed it in the last video, so shout out to Jamie Matthews.
There we go.
Right.
Right,
Toodle pip!
Let's stop dipping.
tally ho!
Stop dipping.
Safe's back.
Got it
Now
home.
time to get it open.
That's not a drawing sign, I'll tell you that.
Win it.
Told you. What's that? I don't think there's anything in it. What's that for?
That's part of the lock.
Part of the locking mechanism.
Get gloves on and put your hands in there.
My gloves are in the car.
Done this. Surely wants to keep a lot of their keys. Don't they?
That's a lot of keys. That's a locking wheel nut key. Here. So, what that would be, that's a towed alarm central locking. That will turn off and on your alarm. That's what that would be. Yeah, that's what that would be. So that's that. That's a Volkswagen fan key. It's still got its barcode and its tracking tag. If you can see, just there. There's the barcode. There's the tracking tag.
Don't you need to take that off just in case they try and read that and find that you've got it?
Just while we're doing that.
I can't make out what key that is. Where's the file? Behind
Over
me.
there, you can just see the right hander. Do you reckon it's when you ring 101 on?
Well, then they'll tell us off for bringing it back.
No, they won't.
Oh, the one.
Sure.
People bring them back all the time.
That's Peugeot because it's got the.
Right, so we've got a Peugeot key.
Oh,
Well, I think that's a van.
this. Peugeot do
I
that.
think it's Snap. Yeah, Peugeot do
I
vans.
just snapped it by accident.
Yeah. What, the nib?
This was on a ring with them too.
Because there's company logos on it, isn't there?
Leicester office equipment. Office furniture specialist. Thermostat.
So can I use your toilet please, Gareth?
I mean, that one could be the company van,
This could be, yeah.
and they've had a break in.
Very lot. I think them set of keys that you've got there,
Yeah.
I think that's meant to go on it.
Mm.
Because, if you've noticed,
They've all got.
because that's got a toad on as well.
Oh,
Yeah, both these are, these fob,
Just make sure you don't let the
these,
cat
both of these fobs are toad fobs.
Make sure you
They're to turn off,
stuff.
yeah, big, nice, hefty alarms. You
Oh,
have
it's
got
a soft
quite
lock
a
on it
few,
as well. You can tap that in on the
yeah,
internet.
it has got quite a few van keys on it. I won't know what to do with them because it's pointless with how they are, but I'm a bit concerned more about that one. It's do not duplicate.
What does that mean?
So they,
It means don't make
that's
it
like a master lock.
Oh, right.
You have a, there's probably only
Oh, to
two of
donate
these, so
more
probably,
copies.
yeah, so probably managers have got these keys, and obviously there's one of them.
These are big keys though.
These are car keys though, because you can tell. Look at the tracks.
Yeah. That's this one then. Look at that one.
Yeah. All these are car keys.
They were all together,
van keys. But just by a couple of the tracks. Right. So
Drop one.
We've got
after
the
all that
safe
time,
open.
Yeah, got safe open. Having all that time, and all we pulled out was a load of van keys. They
But they have
definitely
got
are van
company
keys.
tags
Yeah.
on.
So we might be able to track them back to where they've come from. Might. We've got an instinct of where possibly they could come from, but a big safe must have had more
It would
than that in it. Obviously they must have took some out, because a big safe with that.
There's nothing on this.
But it's still a good find.
Yeah.
Everything's a good find. We won't disown anything. But yeah,
What is this?
That's just the bottom mat.
all that.
Safe.
Yeah. It'd have been on the very bottom. So, not a bad haul.
No?
And Josh has got a new safe for the shed.